The recently updated Renault Captur adds more kit and competitive drive-away pricing in a bid to remain relevant in a fiercely competitive segment. But is it enough? Small SUVs are big business. Mazda's CX-3 and the Mitsubishi ASX leading the sales charge. Then there's Hyundai's new Kona, which we expect to prosper in the Australian market. And let's not discount the badge loyalty Toyota's CHR is likely to leverage. In a simplified range, the Captur offers 2 petrol engines, manual or dual clutch transmissions and 2 trim levels to create a 3-model lineup for the French brand's baby SUV. For the entry-level Zen, you have the choice of a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed dual clutch transmission, while the top spec Intense tested here is matched exclusively to the dual clutch unit. It's a sprightly drive coupled with incredibly light steering, which makes it ideal for its predominantly suburban duties. Ride comfort and overall refinement is good. It makes it a really enjoyable and easy around-town drive. Many small SUVs defy their proportions to deliver clever interiors and in-cabin storage. The Captur doesn't. In short, it's an ergonomic challenge. Boot capacity is, however, well above par. And the second row is not a bad spot, but best for 2 adult passengers only. Hard interior plastics tell a cheap and cheery story, but technology talks value. Satellite navigation, front, rear and side parking sensors, parking assist, electric folding mirrors and a rear view camera are standard. While the all-important safety lists include blind spot monitoring and cruise control, but misses out on autonomous emergency braking as offered by several key rivals. The Captur is offered with 5-year unlimited kilometre warranty and 12-month or 30,000 kilometre service intervals, with a lifetime fixed price service fee. Keen drive-away pricing and good after-sales support are strong points for the pint-sized Frenchie, but we feel the Captur has quite a battle ahead.